Hi, I'm Kevin Shepard, attorney with Shepard & Long, and today I want to talk to you about personal injury cases. Our firm does a variety of work, and one of the areas that I have a lot of satisfaction in is helping individuals who have been injured in accidents to receive fair compensation. Now, the bulk of what we do in this type of case is car accident cases. So let me give you a little bit of a checklist if you find yourself in a car accident, what you need to be doing. Obviously, you need to get the other person's name and address, but I would encourage you to use your cell phone to snap a picture of their license plate and any other relevant things that you see around the scene. So, for example, damage to their car, damage to your car. Go ahead and take some shots of that because that will be invaluable later as evidence. Also, if there's any witnesses around, try to go ahead and get names and phone numbers. They may not hang around and wait for the police. So get that information while you can. Also, of course, call the police to come investigate the accident and have your insurance information available. Now, once all that is over with, a lot of people hate to go to the doctor. They just feel a little banged up. Well, you need to realize that in most car accident cases, injuries become more noticeable 1 to 2 to 3 days after an accident. So it's important that you document everything that's going on in your life in relation to that accident and your injuries. For example, if you don't go to the ER, then at least call your general practitioner and make an appointment to see them. Document when you go to the doctor. If you don't go for several days, you need to be able to explain why you didn't go to a doctor. But it's important to document everything that you do. And then it's important to follow the recommendations of your chiropractor, your physical therapist, the doctor, whoever you're dealing with in this situation. Keep in mind, the other insurance company for the driver at fault more than likely is going to try to contact you and to settle on the cheap. That's why I would encourage you to get a hold of an attorney who has experience in personal injury cases. Discuss your case with them. See what you can do to make your case better. See what you need to do to not hurt your own case. Sometimes people, through their own inattention, cause problems for their own case. Now, there are other type of personal injury cases. There's slip and falls, there's nursing home neglect. We have handled several of those cases over the years. So just want to encourage you, if you find yourself injured, to get legal advice. Typically in this type of case, you're not going to have to pay anything because most attorneys who do this type of work do it on a percentage basis. So if you don't recover any money, then the attorney doesn't get paid either. Your only expenses are going to probably be the out-of-pocket expenses such as maybe filing fees or copies of medical records. So if you or loved ones in an accident, make sure that you document everything like we've discussed today, and then get medical treatment. And finally, after you've handled those issues, talk to an attorney who's handled these cases and see if you have a personal injury case. Again, Kevin Shepard at Shepard & Long.